Let's go to page 59, and this is the chapter summary. So let's go over some of the important ideas. Okay, so first, you need to know how to describe geometric figures. So this is a point, and so this is point A, and that's how you say it. Over here, this is a line AB. So this is how you say it, line AB, and this is how you write. So when you write the AB with a line over it. Right? And this is a plane M. So again, that's how you say it. And this is a segment AB. So again, this is how you say it, segment AB, and this is how you write. So for segment, you write the two endpoints and with a segment right on above it. So make sure you know the difference between the segment and the line. Okay. The next one is the ray. So ray has only the arrow to one direction. So again, this is how you say it. So this is ray AB. Now you have to be careful with the ray. You have to be careful with the order. So you start with the endpoint A, and you're going to the second point. Okay. So pay attention to the order of your letter. So again, this is how you say it, and this is how you write it. And this is angle A. So again, this is how you say it, and this is how you write it. Now, when you have only one angle, you can just name it angle A, or you can name it angle BAC or CAB. But if there are multiple angles, then you cannot just say angle A. Okay. Next, polygon. So these are a couple examples. So this is quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral means four-sided, right? Quad means four, lateral means side, right? So quadrilateral means four-sided. And again, you make sure you go counterclockwise or clockwise. Don't skip the letters all over the place. So you can go A, B, C, D, or you can go A, D, C, B. Okay, or you can start with any letter. For example, if you start with C, you can go C, D, A, B. Okay, but do not skip all the place. You cannot go C, A, D, B. Okay. Now this is a pentagon. Okay, pentagon means five-sided, and again, you can start with any letter, and you can go. You have to go consecutive letters. So you go P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, now let's go to the big idea number 2, measuring geometric figures. Segment. Okay, you measure the segment in the coordinate plane. So first, you have to know your distance formula. So the distance between point A and point B. Okay, and so here's your formula. So you can go back and review if you don't remember how to do this. So go back to the lesson. You also need to know the midpoint. So the midpoint between point A and B is you just average the two. So you add the x1 and x2 and you divide by 2, right? That's how you average. You add and you divide. Okay, next one, angles. Okay, you classify angles and find their measures. So you have angle 1 and angle 2. So this is complementary angles when two angles add up equal to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles when you have two angles add up equal to 180. Okay, the next thing you have to know is you have to know the formulas for parameters and area formulas. Okay, this is on page 49. So if you would go to page 49, okay, so here's your page 49. So make sure you know all this formula, okay, for the perimeter and area, okay, for all different shapes. Okay, let's go back to the summary. Okay, now the big idea number 3, understanding equality and congruence. Now, usually equality, the equal deal with numbers, whereas congruence usually deal with pictures. Okay, so over here it tells you that the segment AB is congruent to BC means if you look at this picture will match this picture. Whereas AB equal to BC, that means the length of these will equal to the length of these. And you can tell by the red hash marks. So same thing with angles. Okay, so over here you got angle JKL. Okay, is congruent to LKM. So this angle is congruent to that. Again, if you you copy this angle and you overlay it, it would be exactly the same. So again, congruence kind of deal with pictures, whereas equal deal with numbers. So the measurement of this angle will equal to the measurement of this angle. And this is an example that you do not name angle K. Okay, you have to name it by using 3 letters. Okay, do not say angle K because when you say angle K, there are three possibilities. It can be JKM, it can be JKL, it can be LKM. Okay, so now more than one angle, do not just name it with the vertex letters. Okay, you have to name with three letters. Okay, if you have only one angle like this, then you can call it angle A. But when you have multiple angles, you cannot just name it angle K.